A modern bullet cartridge consists of four main components: the case, the primer, the propellant, and the projectile itself. The casing is essential, as it holds all the internal elements of the cartridge together securely. The projectile, highlighted here, is the moving mass intended to strike the target. The bullet jacket plays a vital role in controlling the projectile's final shape and managing friction. The bullet core is essential. Its precise mass and balance determine the projectile's stability and accuracy. This section highlights the propellant, which contains the stored chemical energy necessary for firing. The powder granules are engineered for a precise, controlled burn, generating steady pressure to propel the bullet down the barrel. The sequence begins with the primer at the base, which creates a precise spark to ignite the main propellant charge. This is the primer compound, utilizing sensitive ignition chemistry to ignite the main propellant charge. Located at the base, this is the ignition point where the primer initiates combustion. The sequence begins at the ignition point. A focused flame transfer rapidly spreads through the channel. Initially witness the powder ignition. The controlled combustion begins, rapidly generating gas pressure within the casing. Initial ignition transitions into a controlled burn. The powder's composition ensures a gradual release of enertase. The ignition of propellant creates a controlled burn, rapidly converting the powder into hypres. The rapid generation of gas creates significant pressure buildup, forcing against us. As the internal pressure rises, the brass casing expands outward, pressing against the chamber walls to cowers. Propellant ignition creates omnidirectional pressure. The resulting force is then precisely directed forward. Internal pressure builds, marking the moment of projectile release and establishing the direction of force. Initial motion occurs as the expanding gases overcome inertia, forcing the projectile forward from its resting position, creates a powerful expanding gas, clearly visualizing the direct transfer of energy that propels the projectile. Study the precise system timing as internal energy transfers, propelling the projectile with controlled force. Precise internal balance is critical. It ensures uniform mass distribution for stable flight. Examining the internal balance reveals significant caliber differences. The varying capacity The amount of powder load within the casing determines the bullet's velocity and overall pressure curve. Here you see the powder load. As pressure builds, we must observe these clearly defined safe design limits. As pressure builds, the thermal glow highlights the critical temperature effect area inside the casing. Here we see how high temperatures degrade the propellant, causing a failure specifically at the primer interaction zone. Extended storage exposes the cartridge to environmental factors, often leading to subtle material degradation and tarments. Unmatched manufacturing accuracy guarantees perfect alignment of the propellant and primer. The complete firing cycle begins with the primer's ignition, leading to the rapid combustion of the propellant.